Okay, so another common issue is you run into, I don't know, I'm going to call it elevation changes, but differences in contour in the house, right? So a lot of people, they're spacing their lights out here or whatever. Govee's not really made for that. If you want the washout look, then okay, you can put it way out here. I personally think the whole point is to have your uniform triangles, domes, cones, whatever you want to call them. But so you're running along your house, and it doesn't matter, whatever the contour of your house is. A lot of people get to this point, or they see this, and they say, okay, well, I'm going to put my spacing out here so I can have a straight run all the way down the house. That's okay, but you're thinking about the look of the lights and not the look of the lighting, the light itself. So you want the lighting at night to follow the contour of your house to look uniform. So in order to do that, when you get to a section like this, you use that same L rule like for corners. You got your spacer, okay, and you get to here, and it's totally up to you. If you're using tracks, you're gonna make a 90. So you're gonna wanna do this to where you can get your 90. You would actually have to make a Z. You go here, 90 to here, and then 90 this way. If you can hear me, you make a Z or an S with your 90-degree angles with tracks. As far as, it's kind of up to you on look, but the spacing principle is the same. So you can, if you're just using the wire, you can space it like this. I don't think it would look very good in this case. I would still do the 90 situation, but you always use your 4-inch spacing. So in this case, you can see, create your Z till you get it, your S or Z till you get it perfect. And then I happen to have a grate here. Hopefully you wouldn't have that. Most of my homes don't end up having that because they're hardy board soffits with vents, but then your light would go here, is where you would want your light. Now, what that's gonna do is create your same size domes all the way down the house, following the contour of the house. Hope that helps. Y'all have a great day. Quick shout out to Chris at Chris Mayer DIY. And if you want to learn more about the electrical side and splicing and customization on govee, what works and doesn't, that's a great place to start. So go check out his channel. Link is in my description at Chris Mayer DIY.